Baking soda and coconut oil face wash can be very good for washing your face. Exfoliating your skin has become an increasingly popular part of the beauty routine of men and women alike. The idea is that the mild abrasive nature from baking soda and coconut oil removes dead skin cells to create an even texture, promotes blood flow and cleanses pores. With increasing awareness about the environmental effect of plastic microbeads found in popular exfoliation products, it's definitely worth looking into more environmentally friendly and non-toxic skincare options. Why use baking soda and coconut oil face wash? Using coconut oil for face wash is a great idea, but this combination is great for getting deep into your pores to prevent acne and blackheads. Baking soda is amphoteric, which means that it neutralizes pH imbalances by acting as either an acid or base. pH imbalance is one of the leading causes of acne, dry skin and blackheads. Baking soda also targets inflammation and redness to heal distressed skin and minimize the size of pimples. Coconut oil is an incredibly nourishing moisturizer with antibacterial and antiviral properties. It can also heal skin conditions like eczema and chronically dry skin. It will even heal wounds, which is great for acne-prone skin. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer and good anti-inflammatory, so its use for eczema is on the rise. We know that it has inherent moisturizing properties just from its oily consistency, and that the anti-inflammatory effects are likely related to antioxidants such as polyphenols. The combination of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial and hydrating properties make it truly unique. Coconut oil is primarily composed of saturated fats and contains medium-chain fatty acids, which not only help to repair the skin barrier and trap water, thus hydrating the skin. This simple recipe just takes seconds to make. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons organic extra virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon aluminum-free baking soda. Mix the ingredients in a small bowl, making only one treatment at a time. Make sure it forms a paste and gently apply to your skin in a circular motion. Leave on your face for no more than 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water, massaging your skin in a circular motion once again. Pat face dry with a clean towel. The coconut oil should hydrate your skin, so you don't need to follow up with a moisturizer. Only use up to twice a week. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.